Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss about the increment operator. So let's start without wasting time. Let's take a integer variable int I is equal to 5. Okay, and let's increment the value of I. So how you usually do it? Like you do it like I is equal to plus I plus 1. Usually you increment this value and you print it. System dot out dot print line here I, and this will result will be like 6. Okay, this is not this is okay. I'm not saying this is wrong, but in Java you can use another method to increment the value of I, and this method is you can uh, do right this do like this. Okay, I plus. Okay, now what will be the answer according to you? Let's check to you. The answer is 6. Yes, this is called as post increment. Okay, but here is another one thing you can do like this. Uh, one thing you can do here. If you want to print here, what what should be the result? uh, what you expect? Result is 5, but why 5? We increment the value of I plus plus, then why it is 5? Because when we print out something in that column we use I plus plus. First it first it print the value, then it increments the value. And if we print if we then it increments the value on the next line. Then now if we print again, system dot out dot print line I, now it will increment the value, and you will see first it will print the value 5, then it will print let's see what will be the result. Then the first it will print 5, then it print this 6. Okay, so what is why this happened? Because first it print the value, then it's increment the value. And let's we have another method there also called as pre-increment. And what is pre-increment? We use first use like this is called as pre-increment. Okay guys, so let's without wasting time run this. This is 6, but now why is this? Because in pre-increment first it increment the value, then it prints the value. First it increment by 1, and then it's print the value. Okay, now let's try and run. Here you will see the result. So this is called as increment operators in Java, and you will see the result here.